Hey guys, so this is more of the socket fan roundup. One of the manufacturers asked if I could test one in the ceiling. And for those who watch the videos of my house, you may know there are no actual ceiling sockets. But this is the only one I really have over the sink here. And it just normally has an LED floodlight. And this actually would not be the craziest place to put a socket fan, because we need a lot of light over the sink, but also it's always helpful to have more air movement in the kitchen. So, first up, we've got the fake wood grain one here. Let's try turning the light on. It is actually enough light. I was worried that it wouldn't be, because that's a par 30 in there normally. But it's plenty bright. The cool color is a little too cool. The mid color is a little too warm, so the color's not perfect. The kitchen is cool white. It's like 41. And this is a little warmer than that, and the cool color is a little too cool. And the warm color is not practical at all. Let's go back to... Let's just see what the... Can I dim it? Yes. Not that much dimmer, honestly. For those who want to see the remote, by the way. Okay. So, turn the light off. Low. Dead silent. Medium, low. Low, medium. High, medium. Medium, high. High. Why is the light not? How do I get the light on? Come on. There we go. High with the light. Okay. Off. Reverse. And I believe reverse only has one speed, but let's just try speeding it up. Okay. I might leave that there and see what my wife thinks when she comes home. So, we'll see. Okay, that's round one. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, it was requested that I test the latest batch of socket fans in my house on the ceiling. And those who've seen the tours of my house know the only real ceiling socket is over the sink. So that's we're going to try them. We have, this is the one from eBay. Here's the remote. You can find more details like CFM and current usage and all of that in the workbench video. So let's hit the light button. Okay. Is that the brightest? Let's see if we can get brighter. Yes, we can. It's pretty bright. Not quite bright enough for over the sink. Maybe if it directed the light more down, it would be. It's at the cool, warm, neutral, nightlight. Nightlight, there we go. Okay. Low. medium, high, high with light, okay. That's it for this one. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, as you may have noted, it's been requested that I test the socket fans in a socket in my house. And for those who have seen the videos of my house, you may know there's really only one ceiling socket over the sink, which is actually a great place to test them. So here, this is one of the ones that was sent to me by a manufacturer. I don't actually have a link of where to buy it yet, but I will post it as soon as I have it. This is probably the best quality one in terms of like how it feels in your hand, build quality wise, of the ones I've tested so far. You can get the CFM and current usage and all that on my workbench video. Here's the remote. It's a small remote, but like the rest of it, it feels very solid and quality in your hand. So let's try it. Light on. Okay. Not quite enough light for over the sink. I think if it directed it downward, it would be. It's pretty close, though. It's more light than the last one we tested. Okay. I will say, of the white ones that we tested here, the other one looked really tacky there because it just was obviously kind of, I don't want to say cheap, but it just looked out of place. This actually looks like it belongs. So there's something to be said for something that looks to be quality build. Even if the other one's actually a quality build and it just doesn't look or feel like it. There's medium. But it just looks classier there. It looks like it belongs there. The other one looks like I was just being silly by putting it there. The fake wood one looked like it belongs there as well. Okay. I don't think I did try. It's interesting that this one, the light automatically turns to warm white. Does it? I can't remember. Does it cycle? No, it just automatically starts at warm white. And that starts at brightest. And it dims. Okay. Oh yeah, this one, so the other ones all have like a button that turns the fan and light off, which is useful for test videos, but not really useful for anything else, because normally you control your fan and light separately. So that one just turns the light off. Okay. I hope you enjoy it. Thanks for watching. Hey guys, last socket fan of the night. Last socket fan of the night. So, as you probably noted, it's been requested that I test these in a light socket in my house, and I really only have one ceiling mounted light socket here over the sink. Although in the case of this one, because it has a swivel, you could actually use this on a desk lamp or floor lamp, or the socket actually doesn't have to be on the ceiling, and that's something I may try to demonstrate in a video, because that definitely makes it cool. This one was sent to me by the manufacturer for testing, and they very generously provided a discount to anybody who buys it from this video. I will post the discount code in the comments, so if you're interested in this one, you can get a discount. There's the remote. Nice looking remote, real solid in your hand. The buttons don't make a whole lot of sense though. Let's see, the light button, okay, starts with warm white. Is that the brightest it gets? Let's find out. Yes. Okay. Change color temperature. Yeah, that's probably the brightest of the ones we tested. Not so much on warm white, but when I get to the bright white, that's a lot of light over the sink there. And then there's the cool white. And then you can go... Well, that's cycling through the colors. Okay, I was trying to cycle through the dimming. Okay, let's try the fan. I was going to say, oh, it's not moving that much air, but actually it's making some things move here. It's making the paper towels move. At the low speed? Yep. Medium. High. High with light. Okay, well that is it for today's socket fan roundup. Again, all of the information on CFMs, current usage, etc. can be found in the workbench videos. If you want to see other socket fans we've tested installed, there's some installed at the barn, you can look at those videos. There's some installed in the barbershop, you can look at those videos. There's some installed at youth center, you can look at those videos. In the meantime, thanks for watching. Bye socket fans and bye fan stick.